Good morning everyone. Today's video is we're gonna talk a lot about the 30, 60, 90, which is a special right triangle. So 30, 60, 90, a special right triangle, a right triangle being any triangle that contains a 90-degree angle that always has degree angles of 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So 30 degrees is the measure of 1, 60 degrees is the measure of square root of 3, while 90 degrees is the measure of 2. This one and this is known as sides, while this one is also known as hypotenuse or the longest side of a special right triangle. Square root of 3 is our adjacent, while this one is the opposite, then this one is the hypotenuse. A special right triangle, it is also has the side length values which are always in a consistent relationship with one another. The side opposite of the right 30 angle is always the smallest because 30 degrees is the smallest angle. So this one is the smallest angle. While the opposite, the 60-degree angles, will be the middle length because 60-degree angle is the mid-size angles of this triangle. So this one is the middle length angle, while this one, or the 90 degrees, is the longest angle of a 30, 60, 90 triangle. We can use also the 30, 60, 90 triangle to find the value of the 6 trigonometric ratios, which is the cosine, sine, tangent, cotangent, cosecant, and last is secant. If this will be the triangle, this is 90 degrees, this one is the 30 degree, and this one is the 60 degree. The value of 90 is 2, while the 60 degree is square root of 3, while the 30 degrees is 1. So we have to find the value of the 6 trigonometric ratios. First is the sine. Sine 30 degree. In the SOHCAHTOA, sine is value of opposite and the hypotenuse. The opposite of the 30 degrees is 1, while the hypotenuse is 2. So the value of sine 30 is 1/2. So next is cosine 30. Cosine 30 degrees is equals to cosine degrees in the SOHCAHTOA. The value is the adjacent, then the hypotenuse. The adjacent of the 30 degrees is square root of 3. This will be square root of 3 over the hypotenuse, which is 2. So the value of the cos 30 is equals to the square root of 3 over 2. Then the last one, which is the tangent, is this will be the right triangle. This will be right triangle, 60 degree, then the 30 degree. 30 degree, then we're gonna find the tan 30 degrees, which is 1 over square root of 3, then multiplied by square root of 3, square root of 3. So tan 30 is equals to the square root of 3 over 3. Now, we have to find the value of, if there's this one, have to find the value of the secant 30. Secant 30, secant 30, secant 30. Secant 30 is equal to, which is the SHA, or the hypotenuse, and the adjacent. The hypotenuse is 2, while the adjacent is the square root of t. So to the square root of 3, we have to multiply this by the square root of 3, square root of 3. So the value of sec 30 is equal to the square root of 3 over 3. So now, we're going to have to find the value of the cotangent 30. Cot 30 degree is equal to adjacent, then the opposite, or cap. So adjacent is equal to square root of 3, then the opposite, which is 1. So the cot 30 is square root of 3 over 1, or square root of 3. Then lastly is we have to find the value of the cosecant 30, or also known as SHO, the hypotenuse and the opposite, which is the hypotenuse is 2, then the opposite is 1, or 2. So the value of cosecant 30 is 2.